Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. I'm Suklal Hasda and you are most welcome in this video. And if you are new in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can learn many things with me and you can speak English with me. Yeah. So I am going to tell you in this video that how did I learn English, little bit my journey. So first of all, I would like to tell you, you can understand. So I live in the village area. This is totally village, yeah, and it is rural area I can say because. There are lots of people they want to know about me that how did you learn English. Please tell us your story, your journey, so that I can get inspiration after watching you, after listening you. So that's why I thought that I should make a video related to my speaking journey. How did I start and which kind of tricks I had applied while learning this language. So without loss this time I'm going to tell you that why did I do this time in earliest time. So guys, I'm going to tell you that I was the student of government school and it was the medium of Hindi, and there was not an English teacher in my primary school. But that time I had desired to learn this language. I wanted to learn this language. But you will not believe me that that time I had not confidence and I had not knowledge that how to read the books. I had not information that how to read the books. It was my condition, brother. It was my condition in earlier time when I was studying 5-6 class. But it was very difficult time. But I determined that somehow I will have to read the books. And I started struggling regarding to read the books. I was thinking that how can I learn how to read the books. I tried to reading the books every day at home and also in the school. I tried to reading the books. And after 6 months I get read from reading the books, and after 6 months I was able to read the books very well. After that I was the student of 9-10 class. That time I had not information that how to speak the English, because that time I had not anyone for helping me and there was not any internet connectivity that time. That's why I could not take support from anybody and I could not resort from anywhere, I can say. Somehow I passed metric and inter, and after that I decided to join a coaching class and offline. Someone has suggested me that you can join us, you can join in my city spoken class so that you can learn very soon the English language. I could not join the spoken class because lack of amusement, lack of resources, because my father had not so much money to give me that I could not join the coaching class that day. After that I was so nervous after hear from my father that he said to me that I cannot give you so much money, because they had demanded like for 5,000 rupees for the full course. But I had not so much money, that's why I could not join the class. But that time one teacher suggested me that if you want to learn this language, definitely you will have to study basic grammar rules. Yeah, because in this environment, in our society, you will not get the people for practicing with you. You will not get the people for for interact with you. You will not get any people in your society who can speak English and who wants to learn English, because there was not so much people interested to learn this language in my village also. So it was very challenging time that I thought that how to learn this language. Then I started study like basic grammar rules. I started learning from 0 point, from zero, like that. I started understand the grammar rules like is, am, are, how to use am, how to use are, how to use is, like that. And I started like that study from zero. I started learning English from zero. After that I studied very well the basic grammar rules. Yeah, after that it was the time to speaking, but I was not able to speak the English because there was not but because there was not an environment and there was not any people for practicing with me. I would like to tell you that there are not anybody in my home also who can speak English and who can read the English, because everybody is uneducated people. That's why there are not any people in my village also who can talk with me. That's why I can say I had faced lots of problem regarding to learn this language. After that when I was learning this language and I had completed study the basic grammar rules, after that it was the time to speaking with someone, and I have been remember an incident happened with me already while learning this language before 5 years, and they were speaking English. There was a boy, and they were senior than me, and just they asked me a question, and I did not answer that question because I could answer only one line, two line. After that, I could not say anything. After that, he abused me. I mean, he tried to insulted me, and they had been laughing at me. Yeah, and I was so nervous that time. After coming home, I decided that somehow I should speak English. I have to take revenge to those person who have insulted me that time. And it's the real story in my life. It was the real incident in my life which had happened this time. I always remember this time. And I started practice like myself. I was writing every day 2-3 page. I was speaking as a insanity man means mad people. I was speaking English just like a mad people. And villager was thinking that what happened to him, and he is speaking very well because they were thinking that he has the knowledge of English speaking because they don't have the knowledge of English. Whatever you will speak in village area, they don't have the knowledge of English. They will think that you are great speaker because they don't know. Whatever you are speaking wrong and right, the villager cannot understand your language. That's why they will think that you are great speaker. Like that they were thinking to me, and like that I used to come in forest area, jungle area, and sometimes I used to speak like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and I used to speak only broken language because I had not more knowledge in English. But I did not give up that time, and it's been about 6 months. It's been about 6 months. Like study the basic grammar rules, like writing after thinking in English, after after writing, I have to speak English. It's been 6 months, and it's came that time. It was this time of Corona. That time I used to watch English content regarding to speaking English, and that was the conversion video, and there was a guy, and he had a conversation with the USA people, and at that time I attracted so much on that video. I thought that somehow I should speak the English, but I could not understand that how to speak and with whom I will speak. That was my problem because I belong to village area, you know. But I tried to connect with them, and I commented on their comment box. After watching the video, I asked them, please tell me that how to connect with the people and how can I improve my speaking English. But they did not reply me, and it's been 2-3 times with me. Yeah, after that I could not connect with someone, and I did not do anything like 2 years. After that uh, after that uh, I thought that what should I do. I had not idea. I was thinking that I had idea that they were talking to each other and they are connected to each other by any kinds of app, and I thought that it may be chargeable. Yeah, and I had not idea that is there any kinds of app who are free, and I can't afford it easily because my condition is very bad, very bad. Yeah, I cannot afford that app because that is chargeable. That's why. And before 5 months ago, I used to watch a conversion video, and I used to comment on that comment box, and I asked him that how to connect with the people, please tell me. And one of the YouTuber, he told me everything about the Skype app, and I tried to use Skype app, but I had not idea that how to connect with the people, how to find the people. I had not any information regarding that apps, and it's been always challenging to those people who wants to use this app because they had not idea. They had not idea that how to use it. Yeah, it's been a problem they are facing regarding to use this app. So guys, it's been that I tried to use. After that I had a conversation first time in my life. You will not believe me, I had not confidence, and I had not a communication skill how to talk with the people, and I was hesitation, and I had fearness, and I was trembling. And I cannot forget that day when I tried first time connect with the people. Lack of communication skill, lack of I can say lack of confidence. I could not speak so much, and I had so much mistake, and I did many mistake regarding to grammatical errors, like pronunciation, like that. I did so many mistake. I cannot forget that day. Yeah, but I can say that that was my adventure work in my life because I tried to speak with first time with the people, with the stranger. That was my adventure work, I can say. So little bit that was my journey, and it's been 4 months completed after talking with the people, after interacting with the people. Yeah, after 4 months I can say I have reformed myself a lot to talk with the people, to connect with the stranger. Nowadays I feel confidently and I have a communication skill little bit, and now I have reformed very well. Now I have not any hesitation, I have not fearness. I have removed all these things after 4 months. Now I can say that now I am speaking English with anybody without hesitation, and now I can connect with the people without hesitation, with confidently, with naturally speaking. Yeah, that was my speaking journey. Thank you.